So this song is called, this is about living in the moment. And I know that we're all crowded in here and probably hot as balls, but this is about, not my balls of course, hitting the videotape there. But I would say that it's about just recognizing where we are. And this song is called Right Now, and it's all about that. I'm gonna throw it all away. I think I've got a good idea, but who am I to say? I'm burning all the things you gave me, erasing all my memories. I thought you were the one to save me. I'm so naive. I'm about to lose control, so I'm gonna let it go. Yesterday is history, tomorrow may not come. I'm gonna run to the horizon. We are strong, we are young. I'm gonna lay on the ground, feel the rain that's falling down. And there's nothing anyone can do or say to bring me down. Right now, right now. I think it's time to start it over. I think that's all the way. I'm gonna make a great escape now. Watch me disappear. I'm about to lose control. Now I'm gonna let it go. Yesterday is history, tomorrow may not come. I'm gonna run to the horizon. We are strong, we are young. I'm gonna lay on the ground, feel the rain that's coming down. And there's nothing anyone can do or say to bring me down. Right now, right now. And all I ever need is here, right now. I'm where I want to be.